Your brand kit is the foundation of creating your brand consistency and building your brand identity. VistaCreate allows you to select a color palette, a font pair, and create or upload a logo to streamline all your future design work. But what if you don't have a brand kit and need to make a brand kit? Step number 1 is making a mood board. Look around and collect all of the designs you find interesting. Pay special attention to typography, the colors, and the graphics used in these designs. Once that's collected, put them all into a mood board. Use one of our many templates to help you get started with this. Look for inspiration in your physical surroundings. Pay special attention to how things feel. Look at all the little details that make your physical environment unique. Certain colors can become a core part of your brand kit's color palette. Some shapes that you see around might become a part of your logo. All of this is to make sure that you focus on what makes your business unique. Reflect on your business's core values. Make a word cloud of unique characteristics that you can reflect in your fonts and colors. Some of our previous tutorials can help you learn how to use fonts to establish your unique style, or how to work with colors to reflect the overall mood and vibe of your business. The next step is applying colors from your image to your brand kit. Once you've selected your references, use the color picker tool to select colors that you want to add to your brand kit. Pay attention to their hex codes and use those to add these colors to your brand kit. Now it's time to make a logo. Browse thousands of logo templates to find the perfect logo for your business. Or if you prefer a more hands-on approach, use our logo maker. Fill in your business details, click create, and then choose the layout that you want for your logo. Then simply pick the one you like best. It's important to remember that building a brand kit should be a slow and steady process. Once you have your colors and fonts established, you can start thinking about additional elements like lines and shapes and other elements you want to make part of your brand kit. Shuffle the colors around, see what works best. What's the best background color? What's the best foreground color? As a bonus tip, don't feel pressured to follow trends. New design trends appear all the time, but those trends might not necessarily fit your business. Stick to what you know works for you. Now, go and build your brand kit, or watch some of our other tutorials to learn how to reflect what makes your business unique.